Hi everybody, welcome back. You may remember that a few months ago I did the Curtis Warhawk for the anniversary of the Pearl Harbour Group Build, and I did it based on the movie 1941 with John Belushi as the pilot, and that left me has had two kits. So I still have this Curtis Hawk kit left. So now I'm going to start that. I'm going to do it the same way as I did the last one, same colors. I was going through my decal drawer, extra decals, and I found these shark's mouths from one of the Mang kits there, Mang Lancaster bomber kit that I didn't use. So there's 4 sets of those. So hopefully I can get one of those. It might be a little bit, it should be actually pretty close to the size for this one. So this one's going to be the same plane as the last build, but it's going to be in flight mode. Well, this is the previous build I've done, and this is where I'm at now. Got the pilot and the cockpit done, and the fuselage parts put together, and the rear tail fins on. Next is attaching the fuselage and the wings to the lower part of the wings, and putting on the landing gear in the upright position, and then beginning paint. Well, I'm back, and I've got the Curtis Warhawk that I did here a few weeks ago from the movie 1941 with John Belushi. On there, that's the plane just sitting on the ground, a static version. And then I just finished the other one, the Curtis Hawk, in the flying mode. And I've got the spinner on the front. I've got the shark mouth from the Mang Lancaster bomber build. It's a little more cartoonish looking, but I didn't have any other ones for that. I've got the paper decals I made cut out and glued on with Mod Podge. For the sides, imitated the other build. The only thing I don't have is U.S. Army decal on the bottom, so I may try to print that on with a marker at some point. I've weathered and dusted it up a little bit like the other one. I got the landing gear up. So I'm going to try and figure out some way of hanging this up. And I might get a couple more kits, different kits to put up with it. So there we go. The 2 of them are done. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.